Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Neelima. Today I'm going to share the recipe of healthy foxtail millet sheera. It is very simple to make and would take 30 minutes to cook. Let's get to cooking now. For this, I took a cup of foxtail millet, which is equal to 200 grams. Now put on the stove, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons clarified butter or desi ghee. Fry 8 almonds cut into small pieces in this desi ghee. Use low flame. After they get slightly tinted, add 10 to 12 raisins and fry till they bloat. As almonds take longer time to get fried, they have to be added earlier in the ghee. Then raisins. Now take them out. Now add the cup of foxtail millet kept ready to the remaining ghee in the pan and keep on roasting till it loses its raw aroma on low flame. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Now add 6 cups of water in the pan for the millet to get boiled. For 1 cup of millet, 6 cups of water is the ratio. Use low to medium flame throughout boiling. Stir once, close with a lid and let the millet get cooked. Keep checking occasionally. I'm checking almost after 8 minutes. It's still boiling. Close with the lid again and continue cooking. After 20 minutes, you can see the boiled millet. There is still little water left. Cook with the lid opened and let the water escape. Millet is leaving the pan. This is the time to add sweetener. Add 1 cup mashed jaggery and let it melt. The mixture becomes little watery the moment we add jaggery and it comes close again. At this point, add half spoon cardamom powder and fried nuts and raisins. Incorporate them into the sheera. As a final touch, add 1 tablespoon desi ghee for better taste and texture. Sheera is done now and ready to be served. Give it a thorough mix. If you like this recipe, please pass on to your friends and relatives and do subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press on the bell icon to be updated with my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.